Welcome to the channel RIK Learner for KCET NEET. A train with a large number of wagons connected is moving with a constant speed. Suddenly, the last wagon detaches from the rest of the wagons connected to the engine and stops after some time. Suppose this wagon feels a constant retardation and stops. The ratio of the distance covered by this wagon and the rest of the part of the train moving in common during this interval is. See, what we have to do here is we have to find out the ratio of distances in this interval. Means, you know, as soon as the last wagon detaches, the last wagon will stop after moving some time. So, I mean, some distance. Okay. Say this is the place where the last wagon detaches from rest of the train. This is the rest of the train. Okay, so rest of the train, and this is the last wagon. Okay, the connected trains. So train is moving in this direction with some velocity, say v0. So as soon as the last wagon detaches from rest of the train and stops, the last wagon simply stops somewhere here. If I assume this is the last wagon where it stops. Okay, so and the rest of the train is still moving. It is here, it is still moving. So rest of the train is still moving with same speed v0, and this stops, right? So in this duration what happened, the last wagon which covered a distance this much. Okay, so this is the distance covered by the last wagon, say this is d1, and the distance covered by the engine is this much, right? So this is the distance covered by the engine, so it is d2 in the same interval. Okay, so this last wagon stops here, but still it is moving, the rest of the train is moving. So now uh, what we have to find, we have to find the distance ratio, that is d1 by d2, right? So d1 by d2 is what, this is the aim what we are having now. So how to do that? In order to do that, I simply assume the last wagon is having the constant retardation, a retardation of the last wagon, of the last wagon is a. Okay, so when it stops, I use the equation v square is equals v0 square plus 2 ax. This is the formula I use, and here this becomes 0. As soon as the wagon stops, this becomes 0, and this is the initial speed of the wagon minus, right, 2a into the distance what we called d1. So which means what I got? I got d1 is equals v0 square divided by 2a. This is stopping distance, right? So this is stopping distance. And remember, this remaining part of the train is still moving with constant speed v0. Means what we have to do for the remaining part, right? For remaining part, for remaining part of the train, I can simply use v0 is equals d2 divided by t, because this is moving with constant speed. So then I can use this equation. Otherwise, I simply write d2 is equals v0 into t. We cannot do anything for v0. v0 is the given value of the initial speed, otherwise the constant speed of the moving train. Therefore, some hint should be obtained for this t from these things what we already achieved. Okay, so from that what I do is, you know, from here, I simply take the equation V is equals VO plus ET, right? This is the final speed, what I already written here. So this one is 0. So 0 is equals, this is VO again, minus A into T, right? A into T. Otherwise, I do like this, T is equal to, it is a VO divided by A. And from this, I can easily write something that is for A, right? But A is equal to, from here I can write, it is VO square divided by 2D1, right? So now use it here. So this will be T is equals VO divided by VO square divided by 2D1. Otherwise, this T becomes, one of the term VO get cancelled. It is equal to 2D1 divided by what I can write VO. So this is the time. So now use this time here, right, in this part here. So use it here, right? So then what I can do is, d2 is equal to, right, so d2 is equal to, what I can do, I can simply write d2 multiplied by t is t, I mean 2d1 divided by VO, right? VO and VO get cancelled, and from here itself I can simply get d1 by d2 is equal to how much? It is half, right? So the ratio what they asked me to find, that is what I obtained here. So d1 by d2. Why it is the answer? Because d1 is the distance covered by the lost wagon in the time t, say t, and in the same t time, the rest of the train has covered a distance d2. So that means d1 by d2 should be found, which is nothing but what the answer we got, d1 by d2 is half. This is correctly said in option A, right? So this is our answer.